Hi, preschoolers. We are going to start learning all about creepy, crawly insects, or you might know them as bugs. So, we are going to start by reading this book called What Kind of Bug Am I? And the author of this book is Taylor Farley, and that means she wrote all of the words that you're going to hear. And something that's different about this book is a lot of the pictures are actual pictures of bugs. So there's no illustrator for this one. So we're going to go through the book and I'm going to read each page and you're going to do your very best to guess what kind of insect they're talking about just by describing what they look like. So I'm going to start and you follow along and see if you can guess what kind of insect it is. Here we go. What kind of bug am I? I am red with black spots. What kind of bug am I? Can you think of any bugs that are red and they have black spots? I think you might be right. Let's see. A ladybug. Did you guess a ladybug? If you did, you were right. This is a ladybug, and sometimes you might see them crawling around outside or even in your house. See what's next. I have black and yellow stripes. What kind of bug am I? Do you have any guesses? It's something that's yellow and black stripes. Let's see. A bee. Did you guess a bee? If you did, you know your bugs. Bees help us by making flowers grow, and they also help by helping the fruits and vegetables to grow on the plants and trees. Ooh, look at this one. It says, I have a hairy body and lots of legs. What kind of bug am I? Can you think of any bugs that would be super hairy and have lots of legs? I think I know. Do you? Let's see if you're right. It's a caterpillar. Look at that caterpillar. I've never seen one that looked like that. It has very, very long hair on its body. Caterpillars turn into butterflies and some turn into moths. Have you ever seen a caterpillar? I have some caterpillars at my house and I'm going to go on a caterpillar hunt and I'm going to find some and bring them in a little enclosure that I have and we're going to watch them turn into a butterfly. So excited. Let's see what's next. Ooh, look at this picture right here. It's giving us a clue. It's giving us a clue. I am green all over and I can jump very high. What kind of bug am I? Do you know based on this picture and the fact that it's green and they can jump very high? You might see these while you're playing outside. Did you guess it? A grasshopper. Sometimes when I'm playing outside, the grasshoppers are jumping all over as I run around in the yard. Do you see grasshoppers at your house? That's right, they won't hurt you. They just want to play too. Look at this one. Look at this clue. These big eyes. It looks kind of scary. I'm going to read and see because I don't know what it is just by looking at the picture. It says, I buzz like a bee and I like to eat poop. Ew. I wonder what kind of bug likes to eat poop. What kind of bug am I? So you really have to think, what kind of bugs fly around and land on gross things like poop or maybe yucky food? What kind of bugs do that? Do you know? Let's see. See if you were right. A fly. Ew, a fly likes to eat poop. So we want to make sure if we get a fly on us and it lands on our hands or something, we want to make sure we're washing our hands. We should really wash our hands if any bugs get on our hands because we don't know where they've been. And if we're going to eat food or do something where we touch our face, we want to make sure we're washing our hands. But especially if a bug lands on us that likes to eat poop, that means they were on some poop. So that is the end of the book, I believe. Let's see. And there's little things about each of the insects. It said bees are important because they spread pollen from plant to plant. Without bees, many kinds of plants would not grow. So even though sometimes bees might be a little scary, they're very, very helpful. So we want to just leave them alone and they'll leave us alone. A caterpillar. At the right time, a caterpillar will form a chrysalis or a cocoon and then will change into a butterfly or moth. So we're going to watch that happen as soon as I go on my caterpillar hunt. A fly. A fly does not have teeth. It can only eat liquids. It turns solid food, which is like food that is kind of hard, into liquid by spitting on it. So a liquid is something that they drink. A grasshopper. A grasshopper can hear sounds by using a membrane on its belly. So they might not have ears like we do, but they have something on their belly that helps them to hear. And a ladybug. A ladybug is a kind of a beetle. Its bright red color warns other bugs and animals to stay away. So its bright red body is a warning and it helps protect it from other bigger animals or bigger bugs. So that is our story called What Bug Am I? Did you guess them all? What kind of other bugs do you know? I would love it if you could draw me a picture of some other kinds of bugs that you might know about. And then you can have someone in your family take a picture of it and post it in the comments. I can't wait to learn about all these creepy crawly bugs with you, and I would love to find out which ones you already know. See you next time, preschoolers. Bye.